And last week, my brother, WazirX completely on the trending, and definitely WazirX price will be increasing very fastly. But the current condition is going to be not good, my brother. Definitely, this is the reason, my brother. The reason is that, my brother, to especially short-term investor, they will take a very bad decision. They will starting selling. Definitely, my friend, when we see, my brother, a short profit, definitely we decide to this is selling time. I think you will completely wrong. Just in only we need for a good profit, my brother, for a good jumps now. So if you holding, if you starting investing, so they will moving in upward direction. So definitely, my brother, and this time all cryptocurrencies will moving in upward direction very fastly. But it's a very bad luck, my brothers, to WazirX spells down. I can't expect this from WazirX, but this is reality, my brothers, to WazirX spells down, because all crypto market is moving upward. So I'm so excited, my friends, to see this, and very my friend unhappy now. So this time, my brother, you can see here last 1 hour minus 0.81% profit and loss now, and last 1 day 0.53% loss now, and last 7 days plus 22% profit now. That's clear, my brothers, to sometimes they will move upward direction and give you a very good profit, but sometimes they will very badly falls down. So please remember, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances they will give you a profit, but just in only if you hold it now. So remember, my brothers, to this time you can see here in last 3 days 15.92% profit, and last 7 days, my brother, as you can see, your last 3 days, as you can see, my friend, this chart is clear to upcoming time they will move in same condition, not very good, not very bad now, and very slowly moving in upward direction. I hope in upcoming times they will make you millionaire now. See you next time. Holder, remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.